So guys, today was a very bullish day and very similar to what we had last week, last Thursday. So I'm having kind of a deja vu. Similar kind of experience that we saw last Thursday, we are seeing very similar movement today. And if you take a look at the chart of Nifty, the daily chart of Nifty, market made all-time highs again today. So very bullish market. But the king of the market today was of course Bank Nifty. Mid caps did well, Nifty did well, but Bank Nifty outperformed. And this is how the chart of Bank Nifty looks like. Very vertical kind of a move that happened on Bank Nifty. Now, the interesting thing that I was mentioning earlier is that even last week on Thursday, we had a similar kind of a move on Bank Nifty, right? So this is the chart from today. And if I go all the way back on 16th, I will see a very similar move, right? It was in fact even better. So it was basically a trend day. Right, so like I explained last week that these kind of days are good on a regular day. When you are taking a trade like this, it becomes easier to take a trade on days like this. But on expiry days, they sometimes pose challenge, right? And the reason they pose challenge is because in expiry, the option sellers basically they try to sell options. And as we know that when the market has momentum, the momentum helps the option buyers and the momentum basically hurts the option sellers, right? So that is one of the biggest disadvantages of option selling, that you don't really, if you are in the direction of the trend of the move, you will make money, but you will not make as much money as an option buyer would. But if you are against the direction of the move, then you can get into some serious losses, right? So to explain the point number one, let's take a look at this call option right here. So this is a call option of Nifty 17,500. So today this option basically went up 200%, right? So 150 in the morning went up to 323, right? So of course, if somebody would have, let's say, sold this option at 150, they would have gotten into some serious trouble. But let's say somebody sold a put option, they would not have made as much money as this call option buyer would have, right? So that is the asymmetry that we have between option buying and option selling. So on days like this, option buyers are happy as long as they are with the trend, and option sellers, even though they may not necessarily incur a huge loss as long as they don't make expensive mistakes, they may not make as much money as an option buyer. So that's one thing. For me, the second kind of a frustrating thing which happened was my view on Bank Nifty, which I actually made a video about yesterday. The view I had on Bank Nifty did materialize, but it materialized today, whereas the view that I had on Bank Nifty was for yesterday. So yesterday I took a directional trade on Bank Nifty, and I have explained that in the video which I published yesterday. And today instead of taking a directional trade, I went with the expiry day kind of a trades, and of course I made money, but I could have made much more money with the same view had I taken a directional trade, right? So that so momentum number one, and having a good view, but at the same time not picking the right instrument for that view. So those are the two things which I was not very satisfied with. Again, nonetheless, the day turned out to be fine. So this is how the day ended. So it was a profit of 70,000 rupees. And the one thing which is again very simple, even last time also, that you just have to, on days like this, you just have to look out for any positions that you have created against the primary trend, right? So in this particular case, like last time, I remember there was a loss of 27,000 rupees. This time I was a little bit cautious. I was reluctant to sell any call option, and of course I sold something which I was able to come out of reasonably well. So this call option came out with a reasonable loss, and this call option also very reasonable loss. Right? So we learn from the mistakes, and this is basically a hedge. This is actually not a loss. This is a hedge. So for me, when the day started, the momentum was so strong that I did not know when to enter. Right? It was like first 15 minutes I was just watching for the market to give me any entry. And I basically started selling Nifty call options just to see if Nifty has some resistance nearby, and but then very quickly realized that that was not going to work out. And from 9:43 I went with the trend, right? So I tried playing with against the trend, but that did not work out. So I then went along with the trend, and then all these put options, basically when I sold them, That is how the day ended. I mean, most of the put options as I sold, right? So 37,400, 37,700, even a 37,800 call option. At one point of time, I just exited from there and made some money there. So again, not really a spectacular day. I feel that with the capital that I had, probably if I would have taken a directional trade, could have worked out better. But then again, this is what it is. We have to pick a process, we have to pick a setup, and then we have to go with it. We cannot keep going back and forth. I mean, we can, but we have to be a little bit more agile, and that is, up to the trader. Some traders are very good at it. Some traders like me, they are not very good at it. So that is one thing which I probably need to improve. But very, very simple day in terms of the trend, and the way Nifty is looking like, we again made all-time highs. So that clearly tells us that there is some more room on the upside to go. Probably the next resistance, not exactly a resistance, but from a psychological level, there is 18,000 to watch out for. But this market doesn't know any resistance, right? When the market starts to make new all-time highs, there is no resistance from a technical standpoint. So that's something to keep in mind. Bank Nifty still hasn't gone back to its all-time high yet, because 38,000 was the all-time high. Bank Nifty is still a little bit far, so there is some more move left on Bank Nifty, I think. But on and all, a very bullish market, a very strongly trending market, and I hope that these kind of move happen on some other days except the expiry days, right? I really hope so that we can take advantage of these moves rather than selling options and then taking a very reasonable kind of a profit. So let's see. Every time the expiry, we think that we know what the market will do, and the market tries to surprise us, and that's what has happened today. And I won't be surprised if the market surprises me again. So we should always be ready for surprises. So that is it, guys. That is pretty much how the day ended. So I just thought I will share with you guys how the expiry went.